What if managing money today could actually protect your future self? The surprising truth about Legacy Finance app in 2026 might surprise you. Legacy Finance app focuses on long-term financial awareness. It's designed for users who want to understand where their money is going and how today's decisions affect tomorrow. After linking accounts, the app creates a detailed snapshot of income, spending, assets, and liabilities. One of Legacy's strongest features is trend tracking. Instead of focusing on daily activity, it highlights long-term patterns. Most people get this wrong by reacting month to month, but Legacy shows how habits compound over time. The app also includes goal simulations. Users can test scenarios like increasing savings, paying off debt faster, or adjusting spending. You won't believe how motivating it is to see outcomes visually before taking action. Legacy Finance does not move money or offer banking services. All actions must be taken externally, which requires discipline. However, many users prefer this separation because it keeps control in their hands. In 2026, Legacy Finance app is still worth it for users who value insight over automation. It's ideal for planners, families, and anyone thinking long-term. If this helped clarify your options, subscribe for more practical finance app reviews.